Universal just opened up its most luxurious hotel ever, and yeah, she's expensive. Today, we are taking a step inside Universal's newest hotel here at Epic Universe to show you if what you get at the Helios Grand Hotel is really worth the splurge, or maybe it's not. So join us today while we go explore the Helios Grand Hotel.
Helios Grand isn't just another Universal Orlando Resort hotel. It takes you inside the parks. It's the only hotel that offers that, and at Epic Universe, no less. It is Universal Orlando's most ambitious hotel and most ambitious park to date. But does it live up to the grandness that the name would imply? Today we're going to find out.
First and foremost, the location cannot be beat here at Helios Grand. You are literally at Epic Universe when you stay at this hotel. Not only is the hotel right next to the park, overlooking everything, you also get your own private entrance when you stay at Helios Grand and you have an Epic ticket. I've never been at a hotel where you're able to do that. This is amazing. No muss, no fuss, no taking a bus or anything going through a city walk. You can go from your hotel room directly into the park. That makes it worth the price. Well, at least starts adding up to it, right? The view alone from here is amazing. I can't wait to see what it looks like from our room.
I think one of the crazy things is that we're not even into Epic Universe season yet. Like, the park isn't even open yet. There is so much more that we have to explore and do. Like, we've got a Express Pass video planned. We've got more hotel comparisons, the history of opening day, tons of things to do. So if you want to stay up to date with all the Epic Universe happenings, be sure to subscribe because we have tons more content coming.
You can't film a YouTube video on an empty stomach, so we're gonna head over to Flora Taverna, one of the sit-down restaurants here at Helios Grand, and enjoy a bite to eat. I've checked out the menu. There's a lot of great options. I don't know what I'm gonna get, so let's go see what we find and what catches my eye today. This place is huge and gorgeous. You don't feel like you're at a theme park hotel. This place is spectacular. I'm stoked for this menu. There's so many options, and I'm a big fan of some good hummus, you know, but the gyros caught my eye. I'm gonna need a minute to decide what we're getting.
Flora Taverna is one of two restaurants here at Helios Grand, the other being Bar Helios up on the roof, which we will look at here in a little bit because we have dinner reservations up there. Flora Taverna is right off the lobby and offers all three meals. If you want breakfast overlooking Epic Universe, feel free to get in here and have a wonderful omelet or something as you look over the majestic fountain at Epic Universe.
This decision was a tough one for our lunch because there's so many good options on this menu. If you like Greek food, this is a place for you, or like Mediterranean food. We decided to go with a chicken gyro and a burrito miso, and we're just gonna share them. But there's like 12 other items on the menu that I want to try. So Ben, I think we're booking a reservation either to come back, or we're at least just gonna come back here and have some lunch. So let's dive in a little bit and talk about like the theming of this hotel and really where that came from. Like, why is it called the Helios Grand? Helios, the sun god, was believed to ride this fiery chariot across the sky every day, bringing the light to the world. At Helios Grand, you'll spot sunburst patterns, celestial art, and gold accents throughout. So when you check in, you're not just booking a hotel room, you're stepping into a myth. Can I have a bite? I know some people are kind of weirded out by eating calamari and octopus and like little tentacles. Personally, I find them delicious. We're gonna finish these JoJo's, and then we've got more to go see. We've got a game room, we've got a fitness center, and of course, we have a pool, and that pool looked fabulous. I think Ben's gonna do a cannonball in it.
Now, I've been known to fancy a gym or two, and I missed my workout this morning in order to get ready for this video. So I may as well get my workout here while I can. Because this gym is really nice. Brand spanking new equipment. Got everything you could ever need. Cardio equipment, strength equipment, kettlebells, free weights. Very, very nice gym. So if you need to get your pump on before you go down to Epic Universe, feel free. Or in our case, get your pump on before we go down to the pool. 2001! 2002!
But like really get the pump on before you go to the pool. I'm full of Euro meat right now. At least my biceps will look good. Side bench. We've talked to a number of people here at Helios Grand that work here, and they've talked about the little nuances and details and real attention that was paid in making this hotel possible. I just want to say they have spared no expense. That AC is at 62.9 right now. It's freezing in here. What a great gym to work out in.
Maybe the gym's not for you, or you're just taking a break from Epic Universe or one of the other parks like Universal Studios or Islands of Adventure. And maybe the kiddos got some extra energy. They got a game room here at Helios Grand, so if they need to spend a little more of your money and burn off a little energy, they can do that here at the Helios Grand game room.
I will say, this game room, it's got nothing on Nintendo World. There's a lot more going on in there, but like Ben said, if you want to come in, give your kids something else to do. This will keep them busy for a while. Winner every time, nice. Pool's right behind us to head out that way, but we are not dressed to go enjoy being poolside. So I guess we're gonna go head up, show you the room. Just so you know, it's pretty cool. We've been in there once. I can't wait to show it off. And then we're gonna change, and then we're gonna go enjoy a little pool time. I'm excited. This place is great so far. Welcome to my humble abode. Come on in. These rooms at Helios Grand are stunning. Now we have a park view room and it costs a little bit more, but it is so worth the price. On top of that, you get some quality finishes. You have gold accents, marble counters, and floor-to-ceiling windows. Like, this place is pretty nice. Now, I will tell you, if you've stayed at Portofino Bay, the rooms there are a little larger than what I'm seeing here, but still, there's plenty of space for Ben and I to be able to enjoy our day, evening, and have a good quality sleep. I've also plopped on the bed already, and I think it's gonna be quite cozy and comfortable. I'm very, very excited about these rooms. They are top quality.
One thing I am very, very excited about as it pertains to this room, no motion sensor lights, and everything can be controlled via clickies. Lights on, lights off, lights on, lights off, lights on. The one thing that is very cool about this hotel, very similar to Adventura, is you can control your room via your tablet. You can turn the lights off, close the drapes, open the drapes. All very cool and very technologic.
Here's my magic wish for today. Hear me out. Universal. Pick one room at Helios Grand per day that on their iPad or tablet or whatever we call these things, that one special room gets the opportunity to control the fountain from here. So I could be like, ooh, fountain go high. Ooh, things go this way. Like, people would pay extra for that. I'd pay extra for that to be like, I'm controlling the fountain from here. I know there's iPad people around the parks. They make magic happen when shows are going on. I want to do that at the fountain too. Magic wish moment. Now that we're all covered in sunscreen, it's time to go enjoy some pool time. I think Ben just transported into his suit. Let's go down to the pool and check it out. Need some downtime? The Helios Grand Pool is a sun-drenched oasis complete with private cabanas, an indulgent spa, and of course the Lotus Lagoon. Whether you're here for family fun or just to unwind, it feels like a retreat designed by the sun god himself. So this pool, compared to your other signature collection hotel options, is a little more laid back and chill. Now there are still games and they are still enjoying music, but this pool makes me feel like a place where I get to order a poolside drink and relax. Enjoy the sun from the sun god and really just soak up all of the vibes and the rays while I'm here. Versus your Hard Rock pool that you can go underwater and hear music in, or your other pools where they've got a water slide connected to it. There might not be as many like attractions happening around here, but it is a fantastic and relaxing space to enjoy your day. Plus, of course, I can always play Ben in a little bit of cornhole or a little bit of Connect 4 and beat him. What a great way to spend the day.
One more plus for Helios Grand. These towels are super soft.
We have seen so much of Helios Grand, but we haven't even taken full advantage because we haven't gone to the park yet. So Ben and I are gonna go play at Epic, enjoy a little time there, and then we're gonna transport back here to enjoy our ending of this video, a nice rooftop dinner at Bar Helios. So we'll see you in a little bit. Maybe Ben will plug in some B-roll of us playing at Epic. Who knows? We'll see you at Bar Helios. From a nice little jaunt through the wizarding world of Paris, and it's time for dinner. So we're heading up to the 10th floor, Bar Helios, to enjoy the views and all the food that they have. Coming to Bar Helios, you are coming to enjoy a boozy cocktail, and they have a number of fantastic options on this menu. That said, I'm not feeling the booze today. We're gonna save a little room for some dessert, but diving into the menu, there are a few different items on here that look fantastic, and they're for the table. So Ben and I are gonna order a couple options and share with you what we think of the food, and of course, what we think of the dessert. We're starting with a little farmer's cheese. Very excited about this. I'm a cheese lover. Ben, not so much at all, but there's some really good carbs here for him, so that's great. It has pistachios, honeycomb, fresh fruit, and then it's a nice bed of farmer's cheese. Oh, and I just got a whiff of that charred bread. That smells so good. On top of it, a nice crispy Diet Coke, not sponsored. I love that it's in a glass bottle. I'm gonna be cultured here, Ben. Cultured, and I'm gonna go, I don't know where to start with this. Can you eat the flowers? We're about to find out.
No, I'm nostalgic for Donkey Kong. Like, it could have been novel, and maybe it was.
I don't like Minecraft either.
If you're not a cheese fan, this is not for you. If you are a cheese fan, like I am, it's an unfortunate circumstance, but I could eat this whole board, which is a dangerous game to play. It's a good thing we've got more options coming out. This is delicious. Next, we have the Wagyu beef sliders. We were told that these are really solid. Now, there's only 2 of them. They're here for Ben and I to share. But one looks a little bigger than the other. Which one do you want? It's a pretty good slider. I didn't get a lot of sauce in the first bite. I did get a lot of juice though, so it's well cooked. It's cooked through, a little pink. That's what we wanted, but it's nice and I know people hate the word moist. Finally, we have a beef skewer here with a chimichurri, and this is garlic sauce. It's like a garlic mayo, I believe is what the waiter said. Now, I will say, it said beef skewer, and they hit the nail on the head. There is a beef skewer. Kind of hoping for more. I'm hoping Ben's getting his fill out of this meal because I've eaten just as much as he has, if not more, on the cheese. So maybe more of this beef skewers for him because he needs the protein gains. Let's dive on into this thing and see how well done or not the beef bites are.
I hope this chimichurri is as good as the one during HHN.
Oh, the spinal cord chicken?
Yeah, the spinal cord chicken. Because if it is, give me a straw. I'm going to slurp that up. The meat's delicious. The chimichurri is delicious. It's a really, really good beef skewer. I agree, though. Like, I want more. Give me more. All right. I can already tell you. We've already eaten at the Atlantic in Epic Universe. Bar Helios is expensive. Like, this beef skewer is $29. Like, we've gotten 2 sliders, a cheese plate, and a beef skewer, and we're gonna spend over $100. For $100, I can go to the Atlantic, get 2 entrees and a dessert. I get it, it's a bar, but I want more food. We came up here with every intention to get dessert. And the one that is speaking to me is the Shattered Rose. We've seen it, Orlando Informer posted it. They have a great video of Taylor doing the Shattered Rose experience. It's $32 for like bread pudding. We might have to find somewhere else to get dessert. Like downstairs, those cookies in the Aurora Market looked delicious. We might be settling for one of those.
They were probably like 8.
We just finished up at Bar Helios. A little light, a little spry. I feel like I can take on the parks at night.
Did you get enough food?
We'll talk about that. We're gonna head outside. We're gonna talk about price, and then we're gonna wrap things up. We're gonna tell you our thoughts, opinions, and do a little bit of comparison of whether we think that Helios Grand is worth it when you stay here at Epic Universe. So let's talk price when you're considering staying at the Helios Grand. Now, exact prices are gonna be very hard to tell you just due to the nature of demand pricing. Things are gonna change based off seasons and demands and just how busy the parks are gonna be. But you could spend anywhere between $300 all the way up to multiple thousands of dollars per night here at the Helios Grand, depending on the season as well as what type of room. So, expensive. It is right up there with all the other Signature Collection hotels here at Universal Orlando Resort. Is it worth it though? Helios Grand is an absolutely incredible hotel. The lobby is amazing and the park view room is worth the price in and of itself. Our lunch at Flora Taverna was spot on for what we were looking for the day. And did you see our room? It's got all these blinky lights and it's all spanking brand new. Having a dedicated entrance to Epic Universe just takes it over the edge. Being able to wait in the lobby, stay in that AC, and just have your own private entrance into Epic Universe, that is an amazing perk of this hotel, even at a higher price point. The only thing I will say is, Bar Helios, you're expensive. You didn't get a lot of food. If you're gonna spend that much money, one, if you have access to Epic Universe, go to the Atlantic instead. That lunch at the Atlantic was amazing. I hope this video has helped you in deciding whether you should stay at Grand Helios during your Universal Orlando or Epic Universe vacations. If you have any questions, feel free, and subscribe to the channel because we have tons of Epic Universe content still to come. Thanks for watching. Bye.